Hi guys, it's David here. Have you ever had a great idea for a video, but the moment you think about filming, editing, actors, scenes, and all the production work, it already feels too much? A lot of people want to create story-based videos, cinematic content, documentaries, ads, or even educational videos. But the usual process takes time, money, and a lot of technical work. And for most creators and marketers, that is exactly where things slow down or completely stop. Now imagine being able to create full-length cinematic videos right from your computer with consistent characters, solid storytelling, and scenes that actually feel connected without needing to film anything yourself or deal with complicated editing. That is exactly why Cinemation caught my attention. But before we get into the details, make sure to check the link in the description box below, because that is where you can find my full written Cinemation review article, including the full OTO breakdown, any discount offer available, the all-in-one bundle deal, and my special bonus package. Those bonuses cover different areas of digital marketing so they can help you get even better results with Cinemation. So what is Cinemation? Cinemation is an AI-powered video creation platform that helps you create full-length cinematic content with consistent characters, scenes, and storytelling right from your computer. That means you can turn your ideas into polished videos without filming, without traditional editing, and without spending big on production. Whether you want to create stories, documentaries, ads, or educational content, Cinemation is built to make video creation faster, easier, and much more scalable. In this video, I'm going to show you what Cinemation is all about, how it works, and whether it is actually worth picking up. So, let's get started.
Welcome to Cinemation, the AI-powered cinema video creator that lets you create long-length videos for absolutely any niche, any topic, and in any style you want. Take a look at some of the recent videos that I created using Cinemation. You can create videos with beautiful animation like this, or you can create videos that literally look like a painting or in the 3D animation style, which is so popular these days. Or you can even make videos that are featuring realistic characters and actors who actually act and talk to each other. Plus, you can also create videos in multiple formats, landscape and portrait. You can target any niche like anime, you can target education, and create videos that do not have a maximum limit of time. That's right, Cinemation lets you create videos that range from 2 minutes to 20 or even more. So let's get into Cinemation and take a look at the magic of cinema through AI. Now on the left sidebar, you can see multiple options like create video, which of course is something that you would use to create a fresh video, or you can even create characters that can be a long-term reusable characters. You can use them over and over in multiple videos. And locations, you can create a location and use it over and over in multiple videos. So you can actually create serials that feature your specific characters and locations. So you can absolutely dominate any niche you want with regularized and stable content. Let's get into create video and see what you can do. Inside there, you've got two options. The first thing, dialogue video, which lets you create interactive videos which are actor based, talking to each other, characters talking to each other, just like in cinema. Or you can even create a narrator video where you have action that appears on the screen or slides that appear on the screen, but instead of the characters interacting and talking to each other, the narrator will tell the story. And you can use this format to create educational videos that target topics like history or science or any other topic you want, and tell a story that captivates people with beautiful visuals, animation, and consistent characters. Let's get started with creating a dialogue-based video. You get three different strategies. You can create a video with AI, the AI handles everything, or you can come at the AI with your own idea and let AI create it for you, or you can create the entire video from scratch, take it slide by slide and create a masterpiece. It's totally up to you. Now in this case, let's start with create with AI and create a video from scratch. We got multiple AIs in here: GPT, Gemini, Grok, Claude, and Llama. Plus you get to target multiple languages. Right now there are 5, but there will be more, and you will be able to target multiple languages that are all over the world. Now you can also decide how many characters you want to have in your video, or just leave it at auto and let the AI design that. Next, you can choose the duration of the video that you're making. You can go all the way from 2 minutes to unlimited. That's right, it says 30, but guess what? You can just click on this and make a video as long as you want, even 60 minutes or even more than that. Now in this test, of course, we want to do 32 minutes, so we're going to get started with that. You can put in your video idea or topic if you want to, or you can just click on a button and create an idea for yourself. Let's try to do that first. Now Cinemation is generating your idea. You can use the idea you get. You can even create a new idea or rewrite the same idea, or you can just paste in your own idea. And once you're ready, click on proceed. Next, you will be asked to choose the ratio of the video that you want to create. Let's go with landscape for this one. Then you choose the AI that will write the content. You can choose the AI that will do the visuals. You can also choose the AI that will do the videos. Now usually you will have a default which works pretty well. I'm just going to go with the defaults. Click on proceed, and then you can take a look and decide what kind of style you want. I really like the 90s cartoon style. Of course, I'm a 90s boy, so yep, I'm gonna go with that. Now the AI is doing the work for you. On your topic, it's going to write the script and carry on from there. So let's get back to it. There we have it. Your script is ready. You can see the characters at the top, Tim and Jim, and you can see the locations, the back garden, and you can see the entire scenes that are a part of the video. So these are the scenes that are there. You can change anything you want just by clicking on it. You can even add dialogues or add shots and change the script any way you want. So this AI done thing is absolutely adaptable. So go with the plan or just change it the way you want. And that's how movies are made. Movies are made just in this way, and we've used exactly the same algorithms to give you exactly the same results. So each scene is, of course, named and given a topic, and it's easy to understand what's going on. Next, Cinemation will let you create the characters and the locations that will be used in the video. As you can see, the location is already generated for you, but you can either choose it from the selection that you already have, or you can regenerate it again, or you can modify it, or you can add your own locations. Now in the characters, Cinemation doesn't pre-generate them because it knows that you will want to have a character of a certain look. So you can hit the generate character button. Of course, you can modify the prompt as you want, and the final character, you can have it exactly the way you want it to look. I'm okay with this guy, so I'm going to click on save, and that is Tim. Now let's also generate Jim. Click on generate again, and we should have Jim very fast. There we have it, Jim. And finally we have Mr. Rabbit. So click on generate, and we should have Mr. Rabbit right there. There we have it. Click on save, and we have all the characters. Now click on continue. And now what's happening is Cinemation is generating the shots, the scenes, the storyboard, the plan, everything that is required to create the actual movie the way real cinema is made. And it takes a few minutes. I'll see you when it's generated. Alright, there we have it, the entire storyboard, and this is your time to inspect each of the visuals. You can see how beautiful they look, and you can actually modify them as you want. So you can see the actions. Now sometimes, of course, AI can make a mistake. AI technology is growing very fast, but it's not perfect. So you can see this one has 3 different characters. Now when that happens, don't be discouraged. There are multiple ways to fix this. You can either regenerate the image using AI, or you can modify it. So if you click on regenerate, in 90% of the cases, in most cases, the AI will automatically regenerate a better image next time. Check this out. Otherwise, you can click on modify. Maybe we'll see if we need to use that in any other clip. So here we have it. These clips look okay to me. Now this one is a bit wanky again. There is a third guy in here. So I can regenerate, or I can click on modify, and I can say instead of the boy, remove the boy below the net. Something like that, whatever comes to your mind. Click on modify. And what's going to happen is the AI will modify the image and give you a new one. If you like it, you can keep it, or you can change it again. In this case, I'm going to keep the modified image. In this one, this image is fine. So you can quickly review each shot like that. And once you're done, okay, we are done here. Okay, there's one more scene left. We'll go through it very quickly too. Perfect, perfect. Looks amazing. Next, you're gonna be generating the video. Yes, that's all the work. Now, when you generate the video, there are two modes. Either you can make it through a slideshow. Yes, you can create a video that has static images and a slideshow if you want to do it that way. So all you need to do is remove the tick from generate AI video clips, or of course you can make fully animated content where the characters move and interact and they look beautiful. So let's do that instead, and to do that, keep this checked and click on proceed. Next, it'll ask you if you want captions. In this animated video, of course, I don't want captions. I'll click on proceed again. And I don't want any background music, but you can choose background music if you want. In this video, I'm not gonna have background music. And the last step is it's animating the static images and turning them into videos based on the directions that you gave them, or based on the directions the AI generated. And this takes a few minutes, so it'll be back when it's done. And now what it's doing is, it is creating the audio, transcribing the audio, and then finally it will create the video. It's just gonna take a few more seconds. It's already rendering the video, and here it goes. And there we have it. The video is ready, and you can either download it directly to your computer. So you can click on the download button and save it to any page you want, save it to any folder you want, or you can hit play and watch the video.
We catch Mr. Rabbit
with a basket, a carrot, and 0 actual skills.
Exactly. He'll never suspect genius.
Check out the video, guys.
Why am I always the test subject?
Here is another that I made earlier.
Mama, where is my daddy?
It's in a different animation style.
Oh, my sweet girl. Your daddy was very brave. He fought in a great war to protect people. And when his work was done, he became a star in the sky.
Here is one in 3D animation style. Let's check out this one.
This is Dingo. He is my cat,
Got
my
captions on
roommate,
this one.
and living proof that confidence does not require competence. People ask me, John, why do you call Dingo
Do you see
a
the lip
Turk?
sync is also pretty
Great
good.
question. I have prepared evidence.
And I created this one in the slideshow style that I told you about earlier. So you have slides but interactive action. Let's check this out.
Look up, Leo. For thousands of years, humanity stared at that glowing silver orb in the night sky and wondered. The moon. It was the ultimate untouchable mystery, a beacon of myths and legends.
So this was another style of video that I created. Then there was this one. It was about Nikola Tesla, of course, my favorite inventor. And in this one, we've got
Nikola Tesla entered the world in 1856 in a village called Smiljan as thunder rolled across the sky. Legend says he was born during a lightning storm.
Okay, let's create one of those. Let's create a narration video. I've already shown you the dialogue video with characters interacting. Next, let's make a narration video. And again, we're going to choose create with AI. And we're going to use the same basic settings. You can change, of course, anything you want. And let's go for custom. And let's call this educational video. So yes, you can have your own custom genres. And Cinemation will come up with its own idea for educational video. Of course, I could have been more fine-tuned and I could have said something like a historical video about the Romans, whatever you want, and Cinemation would have given you an idea for that. Now, in this case, it's about, whatever. So we're going to change the idea. How about the Wright brothers struggle and their first flight? I think that's a pretty good topic for a video. Let's go for that. Click on proceed, and then again, you can decide the ratio. Let's try portrait videos this time, and for images let's go for Grok AI. I think that's the best one though. And for animation we're going to use the same Dance. It's pretty good balance of action and power. And this time the style, let's go for Pixar style. Okay, that I don't know if that's suitable. Okay, let's go for steampunk. It's Wright brothers. And you can choose the voice that you want to use for the video. Let's go for samples.
Hi, I'm Ballad. This is Echo.
Okay, I'll use Echo for this one. By the way, you can have your custom voices. You can make your custom voices by just describing how you want to sound. And you can even choose existing voices that you've created, right? So it just lets you create any kind of voice that you want. So this is using a technology that we have integrated, but in this we've got ready-made samples, and this is from these are very standard high quality voices. We can use those two. Click on next, and it's gonna write the script just as the last time. You got the script here. Again, you can change whatever you want, but we've seen the process, so I'm gonna let it be working with the defaults. All right, we are back on the characters and the location screen, and you can see the locations, very beautiful steampunk backgrounds. Let's make the characters. The Wilbur Bright guy. Click on generate character. There you have it, Wilbur Bright. He looks young. And we have the second Wright brother, Orville Wright. So click on generate character, and it's generated. Now remember this, you can change things the way you want. You can even use different AIs. We're using Flux right now, but if you wanted to use Grok, for example, just could have done that with just a click. And I'm in my test now, I'm using Grok, so let's just wait for it. We got Orville as per Grok. Go back to Flux, or try it as many times as you want, change anything you want. Click on save once you're ready, and you have got the characters and the locations. Next, click on continue, and just like last time, and just like in the dialogue video, Cinemation is going to prepare the storyboard. All right, so the image generation took a few seconds, and we have it. All the images are done. You can see the Wright brothers are standing together, looking at the plans. So all the images are clear to you, and if you want, you can change things. Of course, you can. And again, this is a demo. I don't want to spend a lot of time changing, but doing a quick scan is always advisable. Check this out. I think the visuals are fantastic. All right, let's go for it. Let's go and create this little video. And this time, let's go for captions with phrase highlight. And I'll leave it as is. It's displayed over here. There is a preview. Click on proceed. And I want background music this time. Not this one. What about this one? Okay, this is it. Proceed. And now you're getting the voiceover done. So the AI will take a little time to create the voiceover and just put everything together. Let's get back in a few seconds. And there we have it. The video is already rendering. I think in just a couple of minutes, maybe 10-20 seconds, we'll have the final video. So let's just wait for it. All right, so the video is generated. Let's play it.
Before they changed history, the Wright brothers were not famous inventors. They were two bicycle makers in Dayton, Ohio, working long hours in a cramped shop filled with chains, spokes, and the smell of oil and wood. Wilbur Wright and Orville Wright were practical men, but their minds were fixed on something far beyond the ground beneath their feet. Around them, many people believed human flight was still a fantasy. An idea began to take shape, a machine that, to solve that problem, they needed most.
So check this out.
When
It's
they
a
could,
regular.
every angle reflected lessons
slideshow.
earned through repeat, advanced through discipline, observation.
That looks beautiful with consistent characters, so everything stays to the point, and you can make amazing educational videos using this technology. So whether you want to make interactive dialogue based videos, animations, realistic actor videos, 3D animation videos, you want to make stories about characters interacting and telling a story, or you want to make narration videos for any kind of purpose, whether it's educational, whether it's entertainment, you can create it inside of Cinemation. And remember, you can create as long a video as you want. This is breakthrough technology, and Cinemation brings it first to you. And if you get Cinemation, I'm looking forward. This is breakthrough technology, and Cinemation brings it to you first. So get Cinemation and get your director's seat. Hey there, this is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, and I am very excited to show you Tuberank Jeet 6 AI, the latest and the greatest version of Tuberank Jeet. And yes, this version has a lot of AI. All over the app, you will find this icon which will get you results from AI. So let's get in and take a look at Tuberank Jeet 6. The purpose of Tuberank Jeet is to give you great optimization, the best optimization for SEO for YouTube, so that when you put your videos on YouTube, you get to the top, to the best potential that your video can get. So it will recommend the best quality keywords, titles, descriptions, tags, everything that you need to get to the top. Now there is the optimize option. When you click on it, you will see the optimize box that you can keep on. Here you can enter the optimization that you have selected and click on analyze it, and Tuberank Jeet will tell you how optimized your video is currently and what you can do to make it better. Right now we have an optimization score of 0 because we have not provided a single detail. Let's get started by putting in a keyword. I already put in coffee recipes. I'm gonna go with that. Then you can select the number of videos that you want to research to get ideas about this particular keyword. Now again, Tuberank Jeet has AI all over the place. So here, if you see this icon, click on it. And for example, in this particular function, it's going to suggest alternatives to the keyword that you put in. It's going to give you new topics that you can create videos on based on this keyword. So you can use these keywords as ideas. Okay, what can you research next? What can you look for next? Or you can even use them as topics. You can create videos on all these topics. These are the topics that people are searching on YouTube to find content. If you want to add them as keywords, you can click on add all keywords, or you can click on the topic that you want to add and it will be added to the optimized video bar that just opened up. Close this and let's take a look at the search. These are the results. Tuberank Jeet got them for you in just a second, and you can see that now it not just returns the videos, that is the full length videos, but also the shorts. So you can use Tuberank Jeet to research the shorts too. If you want to take a look at any of the videos, you can either right click and you can get these details, you can view the video, or you can get the thumbnail in case you want to give it to your designer and say to them, hey, can you make a thumbnail similar to this one? By the way, Tuberank Jeet now also gives you statistical analysis for the data that you have collected. So you can see details like the average statistics, where you can see the total number of likes that were collected by all these videos, the total views, the comments, the ratio of the comments to the views, and also the ratio of the views to the likes. And this information can give you an idea of the size of the entire niche. Then you also have audience sentiment, where Tuberank Jeet reads how people are reacting, and if the reactions are mostly positive or mostly exciting, it can tell you what is the overall sentiment of the particular topic that you're targeting. And this is good for branding, or if you want to create an excitement or a feeling around your brand, because you only want to target ideas or topics that have positive sentiment or positive emotion. Then finally you get a ranking score, which tells you how difficult or easy it is to rank for the keyword or rank for the topic that you're targeting. And this is very helpful because many times you will find that the topic you're targeting is long tail and it's going to be easier to rank, and sometimes, like in this instance, we have targeted a very broad keyword and it is harder to rank for this. You can also see data like how many likes this video has, how many total views has it got, and how many comments does it have. And there is AI in here too. If there is a description in the video, for example, this is a short, so it doesn't have it, but this one has, you can rewrite it using AI, and you can also find keywords based on the description that this person has targeted, again from the AI. So let's say you're going to make a video which is similar to this one, honey cinnamon lattes at home. You want to give the video's thumbnail to your designer, copy it over, give it to them. Then you can just rewrite the description that they have using AI. Just a single click is all it takes. And here you got a new description. You can use this in your video right away. Or if you want to find keywords related to this description, click a button and you've got all these keywords, all these little topics that you can target or you can feature in your videos. Now again, this information that shows you how many likes, how many views, and how many comments it has can be a great indicator to tell you the true potential of this niche. Coffee recipes, definitely a very powerful niche, but if you go for a micro niche or a less popular niche, the numbers would be different, and that would give you an idea of what kind of traffic you can get if you target that niche. Now, this is also a great indicator of competition. If you see that there are videos which are perfect for what the niche is targeting and they are heavily dominating, a big gap, a big difference in rankings, you know that this could be a competitive niche and could be hard to break into. So all of that information is easy to access using Tuberank Jeet. And did you notice the button right over here next to the title? You know what? You can click it and Tuberank Jeet is going to give you alternative titles to that particular video title. Again, this is great because with this, what you can do is you can find new topics to create videos on. These are topics that people are searching for, but they're not dominated and they're not overcrowded, and you can create a video and get ranked very easily. So this is a great way to use AI inside of an SEO app. Now you can continue optimizing your own video right on the optimized screen. You can collect all the data that you want. For example, let's keep scrolling, and if I like any particular content, let's say this one, if I like this content and I want to reuse it, again, I can either copy it over entirely into my description and I can modify just a few things. I don't need to change everything, so I can just change a few things, like let's say this one. Let me remove some identification information. Let me keep most of the other stuff. Okay, this looks very doable. And then I can just click on description alternatives, and Tuberank Jeet will give me alternative description, and I can keep rewriting it as many times as I want, or I can just click copy to clipboard close and paste it here. So I have a totally new description based on the research that is done by some other person. I didn't have to start from scratch and I was able to reuse it. So this can save you a lot of time in your YouTube SEO work. Now I can also find keywords from my description. So I can click this button and I can just copy all the keywords that I want to target, close it, and right over here I have these keywords that I can use. Now remember, it's not just about AI. Tuberank Jeet can also let you use community research to find ideas, keywords, topics, whatever you're looking for. And you can, for example, click on view keywords to find the keywords that this particular video is targeting. Again, these are the keywords, these are the hashtags that it's targeting. And if you click on this one, you can find all the keywords and hashtag that this one is targeting. And then you can use these keywords and hashtags in your own content. And let me tell you, that is important because it makes your videos more discoverable. When you use the right hashtags, the right keywords in your videos, YouTube can get to you better. So you can use these keywords in your description too, to write descriptions, or you can put them in the tags section right away, and YouTube supports up to 5 hashtags in the description, so just make sure that you have up to 5. You can just copy it over like this and paste it. Usually I like to put my hashtags at the bottom of the description, but you can put them anywhere in the description you want and YouTube will automatically detect that. Again, you can also generate new content with AI. So when you use the generate with AI topic, you can tell YouTube exactly what you're making the video on: how to make coffee without a coffee machine. For example, if you're making a video on this topic, click on generate. In just a few seconds, Tuberank Jeet will give you a list of titles to choose from, a ready-made description that you can add and modify to, a list of keywords that you can target, and a list of hashtags. That's your entire optimization done in just 3 seconds. You don't need to do more than that. If you just copy the right title over, if you copy the right description over, that's going to be enough to get you ranked. That's how easy YouTube optimization can be with Tuberank Jeet. But we don't stop there, because Tuberank Jeet is meant to take you forward so you can analyze existing videos on YouTube and find their content. For example, I'm in YouTube right now, and let's say I wanted to understand how they have optimized their YouTube video. I can just copy the URL, bring it to Tuberank Jeet, click on go, and that's it. In matter of seconds, I get everything. Information like the number of likes, the number of views they have. I can rewrite their descriptions using YouTube. I can find keywords from this description using YouTube too. I can rewrite the titles using YouTube and get title ideas. And I can also view the keywords that are being targeted by this video by clicking on the view keywords button. And I can also find the hashtags that they're targeting using the hashtags button. So you can analyze any video and you can use it very, very fast. Now remember this, if this is a video which has done everything right, all you need to do is click on get description with AI and you will get a new description based on this particular description from AI that you can use right away. So here is the new description. Again, just copy it over and you paste it. It gets pasted with all the formatting done for you. You don't need to worry about the formatting at all. Now we also have tag finder. So put in a tag. You can select the number of videos that you want to search and you get the suggested tags, the tags that have been used in videos. And again, you can use AI too. So if you want to get these alternatives from AI, absolutely possible. You get AI tags too. Then we have the hashtag finder. You can put in the hashtag that you want to find similar hashtags to, select the number of videos that you want to search, click on go, and then Tuberank Jeet will give you the hashtags that are similar to the one that you have that videos are targeting. Again, you can use the AI to get hashtags that are similar to the one that you're targeting. And you can categorize and catalog all of the resources. So Tuberank Jeet has favorite tags, favorite hashtags, favorite videos, and favorite channels. You can bring in the data that you want to look at again and again, like your favorite topics, your favorite channels, the videos that you want to follow, put them in, collect in one place, and whenever you want to come back and refer to them, Tuberank Jeet will have them for you. Now, important thing, let's go and take a look at the optimized video box again. This product does not just help you collect data, it also shows you what good optimization is. So when you click on analyze it, it gives you an optimization score and it also gives you recommendations, things that you should do to make it better. For example, in this one, let's add a title. So I'm going to go to discover right away and I'm going to just take the easy way out. Just click on the AI button, get some alternatives and use one of those. So I'll just use this one. That's it. And my title has been set. So 76%. And then it tells you what else you can do. Like there is room to add something more to the titles. You have to also add more content to the description. You can use 5 hashtags. All of the things that you can do to make this optimization perfect, Tuberank Jeet lays it out for you. And typically you would want to get a score that is above 85%. And with that in place, your videos are very well optimized to reach the top of YouTube and unlock their best traffic potential. You can upload these videos to YouTube accounts, to Vimeo, and also to Dailymotion. So in the settings, you can set up those accounts, like click on add, and then you can choose what network, what video website you want the account on. Click on it and you will be guided to add your account to Tuberank Jeet for uploading. Now Tuberank Jeet is multilingual, not just inside the content. Yes, you can find videos, find keywords, find descriptions, rewrite things in any language you want, but you can also have the interface in English, Dutch, and Spanish. So if you want to view Tuberank Jeet in any of these languages, that's perfectly fine. You have it in Spanish here now, and I'm gonna just change back to English because that's the language I understand the best. And here we have Tuberank Jeet back in English. Let me remind you, it works with any language at all. For example, I can now search in Hindi, click on go, and it's gonna get me Hindi content just as well as it got me English content. These are the videos that are ranking for this Hindi keyword. So that's how Tuberank Jeet works. It helps you in research, it helps you in ranking, it gives you the perfect optimization, and it gives you AI every step of the way. Tuberank Jeet is gonna be your most favorite tool if you are a YouTuber. You're gonna use it every day, not just for uploading videos, not just for optimization, but also for your research. Hey there, this is Freezur, an all-new app that lets you create viral videos. Exactly the same kind of videos that are taking the internet by storm right now. I'm talking about the viral storyteller style videos that are absolutely a rage on sites like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Take a look at how viral
things girls do that they think are cute but are actually
Look at these samples, 96,000 likes, and this is not a very old video, 17,000 likes, 5,759
My
likes.
classmate beat me in Kahoot and stole my Jolly Rancher, so I tied him to a tree, skinned him alive, and shoved
27,000
A man
likes.
has been standing in the middle of our street for the past 4 days.
54,000
My mom
likes.
got me a toy to relieve some...
These videos are extremely viral right now, and it is so incredibly easy to produce them if you have the right tools. Yes, the AI can do all the work, right from creating a perfect viral script to creating the visuals to setting it up all together, and then you can just publish it online on your handle and get the traffic. This is what Freezur does. Create these highly viral style videos. You can use them to promote any product or service you want. You can even place your product or service into the video organically. Let's take a look at how this works. So this is the dashboard of Freezur, and to get started you click on create, and then you click on create a video from scratch. Or if you want to get your own script, maybe you want to source a script from Reddit, or you want to put in your own script, you can click on I have my script, or just click on create a video from scratch, and then you can choose the kind of video you want to produce. Plus you have all these options for AIs that can be used to write the script. So if you want to use GPT-5 or Cloud or Gemini or Grok or Llama, that's absolutely possible. Now Gemini is our favorite AI for these kind of videos. Now you have so many different topics to write on. Either you can create a custom topic, a topic that you want to pick yourself, or you can pick a topic from any of these available. For example, let's pick up science fiction. I know it is one of the most loved niches online. And what the first thing Freezur does is it will create an idea for you. Yes, it will create an idea, and you can rewrite this or create a new idea or just modify it yourself if you want to. Let's say you don't like this idea and you want a new one. All you need to do is click on new idea, and it will create a new idea. A gamer activates a vintage sci-fi console that rips open a portal to the multiverse of tropes. Perfect. I think I will go with it. Next, you can decide to promote a product. Let's say you want to promote a specific product. You can. Check this out. Promote my web design company, designu.com. We create designs for our small businesses. So you can promote absolutely any product you want. It's a physical product, not a problem. If it's a virtual product, not a problem. If it's a service like this one, that's okay too. Next, you can decide how long you want the video to be. So if you want to publish on the vertical format on TikTok and you want to go viral with it, you can make a video that's up to 5 minutes. Or if you want to publish it on YouTube, you can go for up to 45 minutes, and you can change that too. So let's say you want a video for up to 30 minutes, absolutely possible. If you want a shorter video, not a problem. For this particular demo, let's make a video that is up to 5 minutes, and then you can also choose the ratio. So for TikTok, 9:16 is the perfect ratio. That's what I'm gonna choose. And then you can choose the AI you want to use to write the entire script. Again, I'm going to use Gemini. Click on proceed, and next you can choose the voice over. So for audio AI, we have an option to either go for OpenAI, or if you want to bring in your own voices, maybe you want to even clone your voice and bring it into this and have the video created in your own voice, you can use 11 Labs, and then you can bring in your own voice ID and key and easily use that particular voice. Now let's go for OpenAI. You can give the AI special instructions on how you want the voice to be. Speak in an emotional tone, right? So you can give instructions like this. You can choose accents, whatever you want. Just tell the AI what you want it to behave like, and it will do so. Next, you can choose the voices.
Hey there, I'm Ash. Chill, natural, and
Hi, I'm Ballard. Your words crafted.
Hi, I'm Nova. Energetic.
Hey there, I'm Ash.
I think
Chill,
I'll go for Ash. I
natural,
kind
and
of like his
expressive.
voice. Always was partial to him. Next, click on proceed, and it's writing the script right now. And there you have it. The entire script is already written for you for the entire video. You can read it up. Yo, what up, my digital delinquent? It's your boy Pixel Palsy back at it with another late night stream that probably goes nowhere. So it starts off just like a regular viral video would. It is engaging. The language is catchy. It is designed to grab attention and keep people absolutely fixed to the screen, to the video. Now you can change anything about it that you want. If you want to modify anything, you can do so. Remove something, yes, it's possible. Adapt something, yes, it's possible. Let's say you want to change this to Designu, you could do that. And again, if you want to rewrite it for some reason, you've got all these different AIs that you can use. You can either go for a new script. Let's say you don't like it at all. Click on the new script to get a new one. Or if you want to use the same theme but write a new script and just start off with the same concept, but again, you can click on rewrite script and it's going to use the same concept and start off a new script, right? So again, remember our product that we thought about, it is already integrated in this. It mentions the site and it mentions a pitch too. So if you want to change the pitch, if you want to change the message, you can do that. Or if you're okay with it, then just click on proceed. And next you can choose the captions that you want to use. So we have a number of different fonts. This is a pretty cool font and we've got many different styles. So this is just a regular text style. This is when the color changes. The word is highlighted as it's spoken. The words appear as it's spoken. The words will be highlighted with a background. So you get a lot of different styles to choose from. I actually kind of like this one, so I will use this. You can choose the highlight color if you want to. You want to change it, you can. If you want to change the font color, you can. If you want to choose the border, you can. Typically, I like the text to be displayed at the bottom, but you have three options: middle, bottom, or top. Many people like middle too. I'll put mine on bottom. Click on proceed, and now you can choose background music. Now, it's your choice whether you want background music or not. Many people like to put background music on their videos. Some people don't, so it's totally on you. You can listen to the background music available. I kind of like this one, so I will choose it. I do want background music. You can also set up volume. So I'll leave it at 40. I think it's already calibrated to be good. If you want to upload your own music, you can do that too. We have quite a big library, in fact, and you can pick up the music that we already have. If you want to get fresh music from Pixabay, you can do that. Once your selection is final, click on proceed. And now you've got a selection of backgrounds that you want to use. So we have a huge number of backgrounds that you can use, and you can search them if you want to. And you can even use videos from stock library. So if you want to source from Pexels or Pixabay, you can easily source the videos. For example, you've got a bunch of cake videos that are already a part of my search. Now you can queue these videos on your final video by just clicking on this. For example, over here. So first this video will play, and if I want to change, if I want to add on more videos, I can do that. For example, I'm gonna add a bunch of car videos for this particular video, and we've got like about 10 minutes, I think, maybe one more. Yeah, about 10 minutes of car videos. So you can add those. If you want to upload your own videos, you can do so too. And adding a video from Pexels is quite easy. Let's say we wanted to add a car video from Pexels. Just click on search, and it's found a bunch of car videos from Pexels. So I'm gonna probably choose this one, add it, and it's already added, as you can see. All the videos that you upload will be available in my library. So basically, Freezur gives you a lot of choice about the kind of backgrounds. Now, if you've seen these storyline videos online, you know that people like to use a lot of different varieties for the background videos. They want to use gameplays. Sometimes they want to use recipe videos or some art creation. You can choose the style you want. We have a number of different options in categories like gameplay, satisfying and relaxing, and standard collection. So you can browse them, pick the videos you want, and add them to the queue. Now Freezur lets you create either split screen videos where the screen is divided into two portions with a video on top and another video on bottom. I'm sure you've seen these kind of videos on TikTok or other social networks, other video networks. People really like them. Or you can use a full screen display, full screen video too. For this one, I'm going to keep a full screen video. Click on proceed next, and now it is downloading some of the video clips that are required. Takes just a few seconds. Once all the videos are downloaded, it's gonna combine all those separate clips into one single video, and that takes a few more seconds. And once that finishes, it's gonna create the voiceover. So basically, it does everything you need to do to create these videos. You don't need to edit anything. You don't need to compile anything together. It just does everything on full autopilot. Next, it will transcribe the audio to turn it into captions. And finally, when everything is done, it is now rendering the video. By the way, while this happens, you can do anything else you want. Freezur will work in the background and get the entire work done. And when your final video is ready, you can either download it to your computer by clicking on the download button and save it to your PC, or you can even play it inside of Freezur.
Yo, what up, my digital delinquents? It's your boy Design You, back at it with another late night stream that probably goes nowhere. But tonight went somewhere, like everywhere. So picture this. I'm chilling, grinding. You know the drill. My setup is fire, RGB on point. Then, my grandma, bless her heart, brings over this ancient relic, a console. Not a PlayStation 1, not even a Nintendo 64. This thing looked like it.
Well, I had to force myself to stop because I just was curious about what's next. And my eyes were glued to the action on the screen and my ears were absolutely focused on what the speaker was saying. That is why these videos are so popular and so viral, because they literally make your viewer freeze on track and watch them without a pause. Now, it gives you a little bit of stats about how much time it took to generate the entire video, the details, the model, all the things like that. If for some reason you want to redo the video, you can just click this button and redo it, go back and do it by scratch. Or if you want to change any particular thing, you can do that. All the videos that you create are visible on the dashboard. Now, if you look at the sidebar, you've got options like videos, where you will see a list of the videos. And there is another cool little thing called create clip. Now, you've seen the clips that we already have. We've compiled a big collection for you in every single category. But let's say you want to create something that's absolutely specific, that's absolutely custom. Well, with Freezur, you can do that. All you need to do is either animate an image. So if you want to bring in your own image and animate it, you can do so, or you can create new from scratch. So you can choose how you want the image to be. You can choose the style. Let's say you want to use cinematic, and let's create something space oriented. Click on the size that you want to create, let's say 9:16, and we've got so many different AIs that you can use. I'll use functional. All right, so we have the generated image and now it's time to animate it. So you can put in a prompt that can show the action, the spaceship glimmering. And then for animation, you've got a number of different AIs that you can use. I'm gonna stick to Cdance One Light and we'll make a 5-second visual. Click on generate and it'll take some time. It's generating it now. And the video is ready, so we can play the video by clicking on view. And there you can see the video. So the stars are glimmering just as I wanted. The spaceship is glimmering. So you can now use this clip inside of your videos when you create your video. So let's say you want to make a thematic video about spaceships and aliens. Well, you can create the perfect visuals for it and make your video even more unique. So imagine the possibilities with Freezur. You can get started in seconds. You can have your video out in minutes and you can create as many videos you want. Let me remind you, you can also promote products, whether it's your product or whether it is your client's product. You can promote them inside of your video. Now, these videos get thousands or even millions of views depending on the story, the theme, and the opportunity. So you can get the exposure that so far you've only dreamt of. So if you're ready to go viral, get Freezur and get started.
So that wraps up my review. Now, before you decide, I highly recommend checking out my full review linked in the description below. On that page, you'll find a complete Cinemation walkthrough and demo, a full pricing and OTO breakdown, including the bundle option, an honest breakdown of who this product is best for, and my exclusive bonus package designed to enhance different areas of digital marketing like traffic generation, automation, content creation, and monetization. Those bonuses are meant to help you get more value from Cinemation and improve your overall online marketing results, not just your streaming platform. So if you're serious about building your own online business, driving traffic, generating leads, or creating new online income streams, click the link in the description, read the full review, watch the demos, and see if this tool's the right fit for you. If you grab the main product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus packages. Let me show you some of them in this video. Package 1. Create Brand and Profit Vault, a bonus package built to help you create content faster, brand your stuff professionally, and monetize smarter. Inside the vault, you'll get content plus video creation tools like Article Buddy Pro and Auto Video Creator, so you can produce articles and videos without getting stuck. For lead generation and selling, you're also getting Customer List Builder, plus training-style bonuses like Selling to the World and e-commerce fire sale to help you turn views and clicks into real sales. Then for branding and design, you'll have Logo Studio, 123 logo kit, and 300 logo templates, so you can put together a clean logo and consistent look in minutes. And to make your visuals instantly look more premium, you'll also receive a full set of creative assets, including HD video motion backgrounds, abstract image collection, graphics empire, whiteboard SVG graphics bundle, and miscellaneous stock photos, perfect for thumbnails, landing pages, and video scenes. Finally, if you plan to sell digital products, you'll love the Kindle e-cover pack plus graphics ever, 50 e-covers and headers, to make your offers look like paid products. And you've got a few extra creative tools too, like Vector Cartoon Package, Turbo GIF Animator, Facebook Timeline Cover, and Teespring Instant Cash for extra monetization angles. Package 2. The 2026 AI Moneymaker Bootcamp Vault. This bonus package is about one thing, helping you start earning online with AI. Inside, you're getting a stack of trainings like Create and Monetize Your Own AI Influencer and the Zero Product AI Income System. So even if you don't have your own product, you can still start generating income by promoting winning offers with AI doing the heavy lifting. You'll also get the YouTube Autopilot AI system, long-form content, to build a content engine that can grow views and monetization consistently, plus the PDF income machine and copy-to-cash digital product system if you want to create quick digital products and start selling. And for the higher income route, Build and Sell AI Automations shows you how to package simple AI systems for businesses and get paid for it, often on a monthly basis. You get multiple proven paths: influencer, affiliate, YouTube, PDFs, digital products, and automations, so you can choose the one that fits you and start moving fast. This video only showed part of what's included. There are even more bonuses waiting for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full breakdown.
Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about something very special. When you grab this product through my link, you're also getting my exclusive bonus package. These bonuses are carefully handpicked to help you in the areas that matter most: video creation, content generation, traffic growth, and SEO. I hope they can save you time, cut costs, and make your online journey smooth and successful. Let me walk you through some of the highlights, and I'll also show you short demos so you can see how powerful these tools really are. First up, AI Supreme, an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. With just a single login, you unlock more than 25 premium marketing apps, all under one roof. No installations, no complicated setup. For example, let's say you need a website. Inside AI Supreme, you'll find a Wix-style website builder that lets you design a professional site in minutes. Just pick a template, drag and drop, and your site is live. Or maybe you want to capture leads and sell offers. The funnel builder comes loaded with ready-made lead funnels, promo funnels, and even viral funnels you can customize instantly. Need content? The built-in AI writer does the heavy lifting. Just select your target language, choose the tone, give it a short description, and boom, you get ready-to-use content that sounds professional and natural. And my personal favorite, AI agents. Imagine having a team of professionals, writers, designers, coders, marketers, available 24/7, ready to complete any task you throw at them. That's exactly what AI Agents does. You can even create chatbots to engage with your audience automatically. Next is Goofy Shorts AI, perfect for short-form video creation. As you know, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are exploding right now, and this tool makes it super easy to tap into that traffic. All you do is choose your format, whether it's TikTok, Instagram Reel, whiteboard explicable, or image-based video. Then Goofy Shorts AI creates your video in just a few clicks. Plus, you can generate AI-powered voiceovers directly inside the app, so you don't even need to record yourself. Once your video is ready, you can instantly share it across multiple platforms to maximize reach and engagement. Moving on, you'll also get Tuberank AI, which builds out a complete YouTube business for you. Here's how it works. Simply enter some keywords, and the software pulls up tons of relevant videos that are already proven to get views. From there, you can select the ones you want, and the tool automatically fills in video titles, descriptions, and tags optimized for traffic. You can customize the content however you like. And the best part? You can insert your own affiliate offers directly inside the videos. That means you're not just getting views, you're turning those views into commissions. Another incredible bonus is Super VA. Think of this as your ultimate virtual assistant powered by AI. Instead of spending hours writing content, designing graphics, or even coding, you can simply type in a prompt or use one of the pre-written ones, and Super VA will complete the task for you. It covers hundreds of marketing tasks with zero restrictions and zero setup. It's like hiring a full-time assistant team, but without the massive cost. You'll also get News Broadcasting Sites Builder. This one is perfect if you want to create passive income streams. With just a few clicks, you can launch fully automated news sites in virtually any niche: sports, travel, gaming, affiliate marketing, you name it. The software designs a professional website, generates fresh content with relevant images, and even updates itself automatically every day. So while you're busy doing your things, your news site is quietly attracting visitors and generating income in the background. And here's a huge one. You'll also get a library of over 500 premium done-for-you courses with master resale rights. You can totally use them to learn, turn them into your own products, or even resell them to kickstart your online biz. Topics cover marketing, business growth, traffic, social media, and much more, giving you a ready-made catalog of digital assets to profit from. Imagine adding these courses to your own funnel or selling them directly for instant cash flow. It's like starting your business with products already done for you. And these are just the main bonuses I wanted to highlight. On top of these, you'll also unlock many more special tools that I haven't even had time to show here. To check out the full list and claim your bonuses, just click the bonus link in the description below.